Which X heat press machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, VEVOR16 X24 Heat Press. First up is the VEVOR16 X24 Heat Press, priced at $265.90. What caught my eye? The large heating pad and high power of 1700 W for quick, even heating. If you want a reliable machine that gets the job done efficiently, this is worth a serious look. The Teflon insulation coating reduces the surface temperature, preventing burns and scratches during operation, which is crucial when you're working with various materials. Plus, it has a digital control board for precision with temperature settings ranging from 0 to 570 degrees F and a timer that can go up to 999 seconds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can set it and forget it, knowing everything will turn out perfectly. Now, some folks mentioned that the machine could be a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing though, if you plan on keeping it in one spot, that extra weight actually adds stability during use, which is a plus. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your heat transfer projects and need something that will last. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual, once-in-a-while use. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the VEVOR's weight bothers you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, VEVOR16 X20 Heat Press. Next up is another option from VEVOR, the 16X20 Heat Press at $255.90. It's a clamshell design that's pretty easy to manage and caught my attention for its adjustable high-pressure feature. If you want versatility in your projects, this one is worth considering. The adjustable pressure knob ensures that you can press a variety of materials, which is essential if you're transitioning between different types of fabrics. It has a non-stick coated heat plat, which means you won't have to worry about your designs sticking unexpectedly. Here's why this matters for you. It provides consistent results across different materials, allowing you to experiment with confidence. However, some users reported issues with the accuracy of the temperature. But honestly, with a bit of practice and a good thermometer, you can easily adjust to get it just right. This is perfect for you if you want a solid machine for multiple project types. Skip this one if you need a larger pressing area consistently. With great pricing for the features, it's a valuable choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for efficiency. Product number 3, ePhoto Ink 16 X24 Heat Press. Coming up next is the ePhoto Ink 16 X24 Heat Press, priced at $299.99. I found it interesting because it comes with a considerable worktable size and solid build quality. If you want something that feels professional, this might be worth your attention. One of the standout features is the included Teflon sheet, which helps protect your projects from direct heat and ensures a smooth transfer. Here's why this matters. Protecting your projects means less waste and better finished products. However, there were some comments about it lacking a digital display for temperature and time settings. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with manual settings, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. It still provides reliable results. This is perfect for you if you're stepping into more professional work. Skip this one if you need precise digital features and prefer that level of control. For the price, you get a solid performer. Now, if you're looking for something that's more user-friendly, the next product might better suit your needs. Product number 4, Heat Press Covers 16 X24. Next up, we have the heat press covers for 16 X24 at just $21.88. This caught my attention because it's a simple yet essential accessory for protecting your heat press. If you're concerned about keeping your equipment in top shape, this is definitely worth a look. They're heat-resistant and easy to clean, which means you won't have to worry about residue building up over time. This is especially useful when working with inks or adhesives. Here's why this matters. Maintaining your heat press extends its lifespan and keeps your projects looking professional. Some users mention that the covers can slip during use. But honestly, if you take a moment to adjust them properly before starting, they do a great job of staying in place. This is perfect for you if you want to protect your heat press and prolong its life. Skip this one if you're already using high-quality covers. Great value for the price and an essential addition to your workspace. Alright, that wraps up the options. But the last product is something special for those who want the best of everything. Product number 5, Royal Press 15 x 15 Heat Press. Finally, we have the Royal Press 15 x 15 Heat Press at $179.99. I was drawn to its compact size and industrial quality construction. If you're just starting out or have limited space, this might be the perfect fit for you. The temperature can range from 0 to 480 degrees F, allowing for a variety of projects. It also includes an intelligent memory digital controller, which makes timing your presses super straightforward. Here's why this matters. Simplifying your workflow means more time for creativity. However, some users found the 15 x 15 size limiting for larger projects. Here's the thing, if most of your work involves t-shirts and smaller items, this is actually a great option that won't take up too much space. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone with limited workspace. Skip this one if you frequently work with larger items. It's a great budget-friendly choice. In conclusion, each of these heat presses has its strengths. The VEVOR models are excellent for serious projects, while the ePhoto ink offers durability. The covers provide essential protection, and Royal Press caters to beginners. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs. To wrap it up, we looked at the VEVOR 16 x 24, the VEVOR 16 x 20, the ePhoto Ink 16 x 24, the heat press covers, and the Royal Press 15 x 15. Each one has unique features catering to different needs, so think about what fits best for your projects. Happy pressing!